Hello, I'm Daniel Rogers with Duotech Services, and one of the services that I want to highlight is our high power amplifier repair, whether it be for power amplifiers for servos or something like these transmitters that are part of the APG66 radar system. We work with these whether they're tube-based, they're solid state, all over the spectrum, from gallium arsenide to gallium nitride, traveling wave tubes, magnetrons, klystrons, all over the spectrum. Here at Duotech Services, we provide a broad range of repair services, maintenance services for your electronics. Now, a lot of the things that happen with high power amplifiers, we have a lot of issues that whenever you're dealing with something that has high voltage power supplies, high current, an inherently high noise figure, there are a lot of things and non-idealities that have to be dealt with in the repair and refurbishment service, not just fixing a power supply problem, but going through with a full end-to-end service that you require to get your item back up and running so you can fulfill your mission. If you have an opportunity, visit us online at duotechservices.com. Check out the services that we perform on high power amplifiers and other things, and check us out on Twitter.